I can't train with our Bendel insurance. You know, say me sef na player, so I can't train with them this morning. I know say for we Nigerians, when we every season we dey look forward to the buy Manchester United, buy Arsenal, Chelsea, all those things. So now we say, if you really believe in your own darling Bendel insurance, all those money where they gather to buy those foreign Chelsea, I can't use and buy our own jersey so that we know where they carry those money, go they fund another club when they even know us, whether they exist. Make we use that money, take buy our own jersey so that that money will take fund Bendel Insurance. And because if Bendel Insurance no get money, they no go fit play well. All this ball, all this jersey where they wear, now money they take buy them. So that's why we dey tell our people say, may they come buy jersey. I hear say people they say it took us, not true. Next season, the thing will take cheaper than what it be. You know, say we just start them and we carry what they call rebranding. When you rebrand team, you know, we just carry jersey full market like that. If you just full market like that, then the money we supposed to make for them, you know, if you make them. You know, see when our national team jersey before World Cup, everybody look for that. The thing scarce. Why? Because they print them small to the get target where they target. And if they bring her anyhow, they for not make that kind of money. So now so all these Oyibo don't teach us say that you have to follow brand, what they call brand. And when you follow on like that, step by step, you go achieve your purpose.